TVJ News understands that two directors of Gorstew Limited have written to the tax authorities requesting more time to deal with matters relating to the non-payment of transfer tax. The directors, Robert Stewart and Dimitri Singh, got an appointment on Monday, December 29, for an interview with Tax Administration Jamaica TAJ. The Intelligence, Investigation and Enforcement Unit of the TAJ is investigating the registration of shares in Gorstew Limited in the name of the executors of the estate of the late Gordon Butch Stewart. It's alleged that the registration was effected before the transfer tax was paid. That's contrary to the Transfer Tax Act. The TAJ has also requested documents related to the matter. For example, share transfer instruments as well as registration and estate documentation. Failure to comply with such notice can lead to a fine of up to $2 million or imprisonment for a term not exceeding 1 year. Earlier this year, the Supreme Court granted Adam Stewart an injunction restraining the registrar of companies from recording or registering the transfer of shares. The development comes as the feud intensifies over the estate of the late Gordon Butch Stewart. The hotel mogul died in January 2021.